Hi guys, my name is Priya and welcome back to Home Trucks. Today we are going to turn this cardboard into this, into this, and this into this beautiful gingerbread house Christmas garland. Let's get started. Onto the cardboard. Now you can cut it out with a pair of scissors, but that always leads to shredded sides, so I wouldn't recommend that. Although this doesn't do the job perfectly either, but it gets us close. We are going to cut the outline first. So we cut the outlines and then we nicely and as neatly as possible cut the door frame and windows. Once you have the gingerbread house cut out from the cardboard, you want to paint this in this manner, which looks like frosting. So for this you will need a white pen marker, but I found that putting your white acrylic paint inside a bottle does the trick. So you shake the bottle a little and then start frosting like this. Just don't squeeze it and you're good to go. First you outline everything nicely. Once you have the outline, you're going to add some accents, and I found this way more effective and quicker than a pen or a marker. So for this I emptied out a bottle of glue and poured my acrylic paint inside. So this is how it should look, and now you want to make more of these, as many as possible or as many as you want for the garland, and let it dry, the paint, and then you can hot glue all of these pieces onto a jute twine. So I made about 10 of these gingerbread houses from cardboard, and now I'm going to string all these up onto this jute twine. So arrange the houses on a desirable distance. I'm leaving about 5 fingers length, and then turn them upside down. Next you have to decide where you want the jute twine to go. You can use this on the top here, or you can use in the middle. I'm going to use this in the middle. So just a little bit of hot glue to keep this in place. So here is my gingerbread house Christmas garland from cardboard. Let me know how would you make this and what else would you do differently. Merry Christmas!